Hello, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Shampoo treatment, that is the one. I have selected some of my best oils, some of my powerhouse oils, and combined with one of my favorite leave-in conditioner slash conditioner himself. Together, that is what today's video is going to be all about. So I will be applying it in. I will be showing you guys how I mix this concoction and how I apply it. Go under the dryer for 10-15 minutes, then come back and we're gonna detangle my hair together. So I am close to 15 weeks post relaxer. The vitamin I'm taking, I believe, is kicking in because my new growth has got another thing in its mind. Just check that new growth out. This is after me done. So look at that. It's unbelievable. So I thought this concoction might help me to detangle my hair and hopefully soften the new growth. You know, I've got a bit of a rule of thumb, don't I? You know, try and reduce as much as possible breakage on a wash day. Vitamins kicking in. My new growth is wild. I'm desperate. I am desperate. Keep watching and see how I get on with the mixing of the product, what product I'm going to be using, how I apply them, then under the dryer, then detangle it. I'm not going to show you guys how I wash my hair. You've already seen that gazillions of times. And that is it. So keep watching, guys, to see all these goodies that I have lined up for you guys. All right? See you in a jiffy. So to wash off this pre-treatment that I'm doing, I'm going to be washing with argan oil, sulfate-free shampoo. So that is the shampoo I will be using today. And I'm using this As I Am Hydration Elation by As I Am. Right, I've been meaning to try this for a long time. So this was sent to me during that Christmas period by my one of my absolute God blessed subscriber. Like, thank you so much. You know yourself. Look at that, a bag full of products. Like, look at that. It cannot get any better than that. That, and that, you know. So, obviously, including what I'm using. So, there are a lot of coiling products like for braid out and twist out that I will definitely be using come summertime, you know, for my braid out and twist out. So thank you so much. I appreciate, you know, your kindness. May God reward you accordingly. All right. Thank you so much. So I'm going to be trying out their deep conditioner. I've always wanted to try this, but it's a bit on the high end side. So I've been like, and plus if you look at the jar, it's only 227 grams. I can see myself finishing the whole lot in one use. Maybe 2 goes at a very push. So it hasn't got a lot inside there. So I think that's another reason, given the price that they charge for them and how little the cup is, I'm like, ooh, I'm about to go broke. So those are the 2 products I will be using. All right, see you guys in a bit. Alright, so here are the stuff I'm gonna put together. I use extra virgin avocado oil. 1 tablespoon I use on this. If you plan on doing this, guys, do mix yours according to your hair thickness, the amount of product you need. So I just goes on what I believe I'm gonna need on this video. This is just a guide. So next product is extra virgin. Ignore that bottle. It is actually extra virgin olive oil in there. If you are going to use olive oil, make sure it's, you know, extra virgin. There's no point using you know, this one with loads of filters, whatever on. So again, I use 1 tablespoon of that. Avocado oil is one of those oil like coconut oil. They have the power to penetrate. Then I'm mixing with castor oil, tablespoon on that again. So all the oil I've selected pretty much have the power to have that slipness, that softness, really good oils like moisturizing oil. So avocado oil, Jamaica black castor oil. Now I'm gonna go in with my vegetable glycerin. Vegetable glycerin is known for its excellent humectant. It's really, really good. It draws moisture from the air and into your hair, and when you apply it to the hair, your hair, you can feel this instant slipperiness. It just make your hair, it's quite slippery. I tested one time just to see what it tastes like. It's almost like sugary, almost. So I went in there and add few drops of tea tree oil. It's quite hard to measure what comes out of that because this is essential oil. So it's excellent for scalp, you know, dandruff and flakiness, which I'm seems to be having lately. So I add few drops again of lavender oil. Those two essential oils, they only need few drops because again they are essential oil, so you're not gonna need as much as the rest. So I added 2 big tablespoons of my absolute, one of my latest favorite Garnier Ultimate Blend conditioner. Is also a leave-in, so this concoction here can be used as a leave-in or as a pre-treatment as I'm doing, or as a deep conditioner altogether. So that cup is almost done. So all in all, I used 2 big tablespoons of it. Those 2 essential oil, I cannot say this word, essential oil, whatever, you know the gist. Oils that I mixed in are also good to preserve this concoction. In case I did not finish it, they should preserve it for, you know, the following week. Although I aim to make just what I need, so I'm not having product smelly funky next week. So I use a color bottle. If you go to pound shop, places like pound shop, you can get like hair color, hair dye for £1. Use it up or throw it away. Then that's how I got that bottle. I don't want to go pay another money when I color people's hair pretty much every week. So I use a funnel to tip everything into that color bottle. I didn't bother stirring it because there's no room. I don't know why I chose to use that bowl, but it's not gonna stir very well because the oil is more than the actual conditioner, so it wouldn't stir. The only way it's gonna stir is once I've tipped everything in that bottle, I give it a good whack and everything was nicely mixed together. So don't forget, guys, you are gonna need like a funnel if you are doing it exactly as I'm doing, or else you're gonna have a hard time getting those products into that bottle. And again, if you do not have the product in the bottle, you're gonna have a hard time spreading into your scalp. Don't forget, this treatment for me is all about softening that new growth because they are absolutely wild at this point. So I gave it a good shake to all mix together, and because you have that nice nozzle on the top, dead easy, really easy to spread onto my scalp, put a bit in my hand for the length of my hair. Really easy to use. So I definitely recommend getting yourself, you can buy them ready in shop, or you can do what I did, get cheap hair color, tip them out, and yeah, your concoction is ready for your concoctions. Perfect for hot oil treatment, any treatment that, even hot or even just regular oil. You know, when you oiling your scalp on a daily or weekly basis, you can mix your oil concoction, put it in something like this, and it's easy to control what comes out. So that is my powered concoction that I'm gonna be using with this pre-treatment. So as you can see, my new grow is wild, really wild. I'm just gonna talk a little bit more, then I'm gonna leave you guys to enjoy the rest of the video because you would have got the gist more or less of what I'm about to do next. So I apply all the products. I apply the product on the root of my hair, making sure those new grow are well, nice and saturated. There is no messing on this. I really saturate the product on my new growth, and obviously the length of my hair. I work it really well. By the time I was done, my hair was soft like butter before I even went under the dryer, which that was a bonus. So in the end, I'm like, if this product or this concoction I've just taken extra time to do, this is extra process, isn't it, on my hair on my wash day. But since that I'm kind of just over halfway through my relaxer stretch, I am going to make more effort to try and include this step on every of my wash day to minimize breakage and shedding, and because it's all about keeping that line of demarcation soft. If that line of demarcation is soft, then I should hopefully receive less shedding or less breakage and what have you. So I work it into my hair really good, and then I went under the dryer for 15 minutes. Then I went on to detangle, which was a breeze. OMG guys, this product, this concoction here make my hair so soft. I mean, if a concoction can make my hair this soft, why the hell will I want to relax my hair every 6 to 8 weeks? No, there is just no way on that. Not when this product here, not when I can make this type of concoction and you make my hair, you know, so soft. That is what it's all about, isn't it? And if your hair is natural, you are going to benefit from this concoction a lot. Like, I'm not even kidding you. The only way you can find out what this concoction I made, the only way you can find out if it's real or not, is to actually make it yourself. Just, I double dare you, get your stuff out and cook up some concoction like I've just done. Apply it to your hair and leave me a comment down below how you get on with that. I can guarantee you, you are gonna have softness overload. Okay guys, let me leave you guys here to enjoy the rest of the video while I go under the dryer, detangle, and show you guys the result of my hair, more or less how my hair is looking like once I have done all that. I will leave you guys to enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you guys so much for your support. I appreciate every one of you. If you've not already subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. You guys are the people that keep this channel going, keep me motivated to bring on new video each week. I'm gonna love you guys and leave you. Enjoy the rest of the video. Do give me a thumbs up. I know people keep forgetting. You watched, you enjoyed it, and you forgot that thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. All right, I'll see you guys on the next one. Ciao ciao.